Okay, here's a video on how to set speeds on your Pentair pump. The pump has to be off, so external control LED has to be off. You first turn the pump off with this button here, so make sure the pump, this green button's off, green LED is off. You want to hold then the start stop button down until the Ext Control light is out. Now, you can select any speed you want. Speed 1, speed 2, or speed 3, or quick clean, which is speed 4. And now you can go to speed here, so you want to take your display button to speed and then set your speed with the up down arrows. Do that for each of these speeds. I always keep the lower speeds, lower numbers on low RPM numbers and the higher speeds on higher numbers. So for example, if I go here to display of speed here, okay, pump is off. This is not cooperating. Let's turn the pump on, turn it off, and I can't seem to display my speed. Click the speed. Okay, there we go. Now I can set this for speed with the up-down control for my speed 1 or wire 1. Go here to number 2, number 3. You set everything here with these controls. Once your speed is set to a number, and I'm sorry I can't show it because of the sunlight here. Once you have set the speed, you will then turn the pump off. It is off. Now you can hold your start stop button down to turn on Ext Control. So hold this down for about 20 seconds, let it go. Do you see Ext Control is on? That's what you want. Now press it briefly to turn on the pump. Watch this. Okay, now if you have two LEDs, Ext Control only, and this pump power is on here, you have two green LEDs, you're ready for the cable. Cable goes in right here. So here's a pump cable, and you want to plug it in. So you will line it up with the little indentation to the top and simply push it in, engage the collar, turn it until it locks. It's done. Now, here's how to test your pump manually. You see these wires here? I don't know if it works in the sunlight here. Let me try and get to a place where there's sunlight. Over here. Okay, here's some shade. So now, you can test the pump by simply crossing the red wire with any other speed. So I'll cross the red wire and the green wire here, hold them, pump is starting. That's a low speed, you can tell it's going slowly. Red wire with the brown wire here, hold it. That's speed 4. Okay, now you see how this works. Okay, the ground wire. You will not need the black wire usually. If you have a relay, you simply connect the red wire and any color to the relay. The black wire, the ground wire, is only used if your pool equipment, like a Hayward or some type of pool equipment, puts out 5 volts, 10 volts to turn the pump on. If that's the case, you want to use the black wire and ground it to the pump equipment, the control equipment, and then you'll use any other color to send voltage back into the pump. Look at my next video and I'll show how that works. Thank you.